Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Skate 3 on Steam Deck. First, update Steam OS and connect to Wi-Fi to download files quickly. Next, free up at least 15 GB of storage and reboot your device. Finally, gather your Steam credentials and a wired or Bluetooth controller so setup goes smoothly without pauses or lost progress. Install Skate 3 from your Steam library or add the executable as a non-Steam game to the deck. Choose the recommended Proton release in Properties to improve compatibility. After installation, verify game files and apply any launch options suggested by the community. Keep the deck in handheld mode and use a stable Wi-Fi connection for any required downloads or updates during initial setup. Customize controls so Skate 3 feels natural on the Steam Deck. Remap sticks and triggers for flicks, assign grab and flick to comfortable buttons, and test gyro sensitivity in a practice session. Tweak dead zones to prevent drift and save a profile for quick loading. If you prefer a controller, pair it and transfer the profile, then practice a few runs to lock in muscle memory and reduce in-game frustration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.